Based in Birmingham for over 25 years, we operate with a team of 15 expert engineers. ICS's mission is to return your steering component to the original equipment manufacturer's specification. Stage 2 is where each component is assessed for any defects and wear by our trained engineers. As part of our quality assured processes, we look for any scratches, burrs and defects which are carefully attended to and removed on our inspection benches. Untreated defects are likely to have an overall effect on the quality and performance of your steering component, including the seals, the potential for oil bypass and also the overall oil pressure. Sector shafts commonly show signs of wear. Where these are pitted, the shafts will be ground back and re-chromed to provide a new and polished surface finish. Pinions also receive a close manual inspection. Each unit will be treated and polished, removing any debris and imperfections, ready for the build stage.